tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page, tap on the hamburger icon, and then select Activity Center. And then tap on Watch History. This is where you could find all your watch history. To delete all watch history videos, tap on Select. Now at the bottom, you could see the option Select All Watch History. Tap on it. This would then select all your watch history videos and then tap on Delete. And then you will get an important message saying that TikTok would keep your watch history for some time to optimize your experience. That means even after deleting those videos, you will get still similar recommendations in your feed. If you're happy, tap on Delete. And now, depending how many videos you had in your watch history, it might take a while for your videos to get deleted. For some reason, TikTok was stuck and not finished deleting. If that happens to you, simply tap on the back arrow to go back to your activity center and then tap on the watch history again. And now you can see no watch history is available. That means it has deleted all your watch history.